This is XO2's continuous atomizer spray bottle. It's a spraying sensation. Are you looking for a better way to spray? Are you tired of leaky bottles, uneven sprays, sore wrists? You might even be experiencing the dreaded TFF, trigger finger fatigue. Tim, that was great, but it might have been a little bit too much, mate.
Ouch.
So what makes the XO2 continuous spray bottle so much better than traditional sprayers? Let me show you. Watch this. Or, much easier and much more fun to clean. You can refill and reuse this bottle over and over again, which is great for the environment and your wallet. Now you can use this sprayer like this, or like this, which is super handy for getting to really difficult to clean places. And the spray is super accurate and very fine, which makes it great for cleaning surfaces and spraying into the air with air fresheners and odor neutralizers. Here's how to use the XO2 continuous spray bottle. First, add your cleaning solution to the bottle. If you're adding a ready-to-use solution, put it straight in. Or if you're using a concentrate, add water and then the correct amount of concentrate next. Fill the bottle to over 3/4 full. This allows the continuous atomizer to prime, ready for the first use. Now, after you refill the bottle, pull the trigger several times until the sprayer is primed and there is an even and efficient aerosol-like spray. Then it's time to start cleaning and having fun. Of course, just remember, don't put any dangerous goods in here like solvents, high alkalines, crazy acids or chlorines. Don't throw it at your cat, and look after your bottle and it'll look after you. For more information, go to xo2.com.au.